probably just need to get over there real quiet like. Careful not to scare the fish away.
He must be grabbing onto that bobber from underneath.
It's gotta be.
Gotta be. How would that thing fly? Remember, don't bend over too far. You don't want to tip the boat. This is hurricane season.
And we lost.
And there's riptides.
I know.
Oh, now we're going against the current.
Hurricane Katrina right through
here. Oh my gosh, back it up. We're going to back up. Instead of trying to fight it, we're going to back up straight. We're heading you right to the location. Go back to the thing. Oh! Oh! The frog jumped off!
The frog jumped off the water!
He had to have. Alright, let's go back towards shore. I'm going to fight the cove going around it. Alright. We're going to get out of these rapid waters before the hurricane. We'll go back. We're in the eye of the storm right now. That's why it's sunny out. Whoa!
Whoa! See that?
Whoa!
Big pike.
Did you?
No.
Didn't see a pike?
I did. It was huge, dude. Like 13 feet long.
This is not a good place to fall in the water. The screeching eels.
I know. The mackerel, man, they'll tear you apart just like piranhas.
Didn't you see that frog when we docked in?
I did.
Watch out, we're going to go for the big wave. Let's go, it's straight on. Are we strong enough? Let's go on it, straight on. Other side, Steven, if you want to go straight on. We're going to hit it on now. Straight on. Oh, baby. These are the rapids. Other side, Steven, other side. Keep it straight, Oh. Oh. Let's go to the shore and paddle from the shore. It'll be easier to go around the cove.
Oh, sure.
Oh! Stay calm.
I'm calm.
Stay calm.
You stay calm.
I can't.
I know. Remember we lost Bobby out here last summer?
I know.
Yeah.
Bobby and, well, don't forget Sam.
Yeah. And what was this girl's name?
Oh.
Lorraine?
Natasha.
Oh, yeah. It was Natasha. I'm so glad that bitch is dead.
No! The frog jumped off the bobber.
We will talk later.
We will get this. You will read it in our report. We're on our way back. You guys can meet us on the other side if you want, but go right over there and stay there. Now, Bobby stopped the recording.
I don't know. Nope, still going. Alright. We're paddling back from the adventure through the rapids of the water. Do you see the Class 4 rapids that we're paddling through right now? It's scary. We lost a couple of people last year due to these same waters.
I know, I told them to meet me over there.
Hurricane force winds are going through right now. Whoa, did you see that? Sorry, when we get back we'll have to do some editing because this video is kind of choppy. I get it? That's a pun.
Whoa!
Whoa!
We're gonna go in. We're gonna drown.
We're gonna drown!
Go around. We were supposed to go around the cove tighter than that.
Oh, we're good.
Oh boy. Here comes the white cat. Oh!
Oh!
I'm taking your water!
How?
Oh! Seriously, I want to down. Whoa! This is dangerous right here. Many people have crashed against these rocks.
Paddle out!
They have died. What are you doing?
Paddling out. Get around it.
Woo! Peter's like, the kids are over themselves. I'm like, no, they're not.
No, they're not. We'll watch them.
Okay. Wow.
Whoa. That was one hell of a paddle. Can you see the innocent bystanders standing on the land?
Whoa.
Where are they? Oh no, our rescue team has been lost! Rescue team, can you hear us?
Come on, boys! Come outside! Bring me over there! Dita took the kids inside.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
She probably thought I wasn't watching them. You want to, like, reaffirm to her that I said...
We seriously just told them that they could come back over here. Come back over here. Alright, now we're going to ram the shoreline.
We're going to try not to ram it too hard.
It's very Titanic-like.
Yeah, I was going to say, remember what happened to the Titanic.
Very
Want to do that? We'll do this!
Oh! Oh, we're crashing!
We'll just turn the boat and cut the whole side of it instead of the front. Whoa. Be careful, many people have drowned right where you are.
No. There's one out! Alright, be careful, many people have drowned where you are. And that's the story of the frog using a bobber
As a lifeboat.
as a lifeboat.